In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make journal entries in Freshbooks. Welcome everyone, and let's dive into this comprehensive guide to recording your financial transactions accurately. Starting off, once you're logged into your Freshbooks account, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Accounting section in the menu on the left-hand side. This is your main hub for all financial tasks, so it's crucial to get familiar with this area. Once you've clicked on Accounting, you'll see an option labeled Journal Entries. Go ahead and select this option. It's where all your detailed financial records are going to be organized. Now, it's time to create a new journal entry. You'll do this by clicking on the Create Journal Entry button. This will open up a new page where all the magic happens in recording your transactions. With the new entry open, the first thing you need to do is fill in some relevant details. Start with the date of the transaction. Make sure you enter the correct date as it's essential for accurate financial reporting. Next, come up with an alphanumeric entry number. This helps in identifying and organizing your journal entries, and it can be up to 10 characters long. Then, you must select the correct currency for your transaction. It's important, especially if you're dealing with multiple currencies in your business. After the currency, add a brief description of the transaction. This part doesn't have to be too detailed, but should clearly explain what the entry is about, so you can easily identify it later on. Once you have these details filled out, it's time to add the accounts involved in the transaction. You'll start by selecting the first account and enter the corresponding amount in either the debit or credit column, depending on how the transaction was made. Repeat this for the second account, but ensure it's entered in the opposite column, balancing everything out. Here's a crucial tip. Always verify that the total amount in the debit column matches the total in the credit column. This balance is essential for the entry to save successfully. If you're dealing with a more complex transaction involving more accounts, you can click Add a line or the plus sign to insert additional lines. This allows you to input all necessary details and keep everything organized within one entry. Once you're confident all your details are accurately entered, it's time to finalize everything. Just click Save, and your journal entry will be recorded. Congratulations! You've successfully created a journal entry in Freshbooks. If you follow these steps, you'll keep your financial records precise and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.